The title of our lesson plan is Dancing with Adverbs. Through this lesson, we will build on conceptual knowledge of adverbs while relating it to dance. In the teacher relation portion, or the I do, the teacher will point to an adverb and a movement from the list on the board and perform it. In the teacher application, or the we do, students and teachers will choose words from the list, read them out loud, and perform them. In the application activity, or the you do part, students will practice combining adverbs and movements and performing each set. After whole class demonstration, the students will then be divided into groups and continue practicing the combinations of adverbs and movements through performance. In preparing for an inclusion classroom, which would include students with IEPs, IEP plans, and 501 plans, there are certain accommodations that the teacher must apply to the lesson. These accommodations may include for the teacher to ask several times if all students can see and hear her. Also, by writing the adverbs and the movements in very large print so that all students can read them. Going over the instructions several times will also help ensure that all students understand the directions. Another way to assure that all students are understanding instruction is to have the students repeat it back. Students that need accommodations will also be grouped with students who are willing to help them, and there will be color coding of the adverbs and the movements. Adverbs will be written down in bold and large print, as I mentioned before, in blue, and movements will be written down in red to assure that the students can understand the difference between the movement and the adverb.